I'm Christopher and welcome to Tax No Tuesday. Today's Tax No Tuesday tips are 5 ways to cut your taxes. Being an entrepreneur is an overwhelming but not overpaying job. So therefore, we should not overpay our taxes. Tax No Tuesday tip number 1. Choosing the right business entity. Do you know that by choosing the business entity can either put you in a higher or a lower tax bracket? There are at least 4 different business entities: sole proprietorship, general partnership, LLC or limited liability company, and corporation. Always remember, when you are a sole proprietor, that is the highest tax bracket. But if you are a corporation, that will give you in a lower tax bracket. Tax No Tuesday tip number 2. Pay yourself first. Make sure that you put yourself on the payroll and pay yourself in a reasonable salary. But Christopher, what is a reasonable salary? This is what an hourly rate of your job. Because always remember, whatever you pay yourself is also business expenses. But don't get me wrong, paying yourself doesn't mean you're transferring money from your business to personal whenever you need it. That's not the way it works. You have to talk to your tax advisor on how to set this up. Tax No Tuesday tip number 3. Contribute on tax shelter accounts. What are the different tax shelter accounts? We have the health savings account, the college savings account, flexible spending account, and the IRA and 401k. You contribute to this, these are considered expenses of the company and it will help you to lower the taxes. Tax No Tuesday tip number 4. As of this year, for your 2018 tax return, on the Tax Cuts Jobs Act, there's an additional 20% deductions of your business income. Lastly, Tax No Tuesday tip number 5. 100% bonus depreciation. So how does this work? For example, you have a restaurant and you buy an equipment and kitchen worth $10,000. In the tax rule before, you cannot deduct the total amount. Let's say those $10,000 cannot be deducted on the first year. You have to elect it for 5 years. But up to this time, the IRS allows us to deduct the $10,000 for the first year. Thank you for watching on our pilot episode. If you want to know more, let me know, comment below, because just like you, your tax needs a break.